Good morning, student. Myself Chirag Sukani from Rafael BBA College Vapi, and I'm going to teach you elements of strategic management subject. And we will continue our first chapter in that part C, that is strategic intent, and the third topic, that is goals and objective. And today in this session we will discuss about the sub part or subtopic of the goals and objective, that is called as what? Objective setting. In an objective setting, we will mainly cover these three topics today. In this today's session, we will cover mainly these three topics. That is, who set the objectives in an organization, how the objectives are set in an organization, and what are the factors affecting the objective setting. So first, who set the objective? Now we all know that generally top management determine the overall objectives which member of the organization unite to achieve. So who set the objective in the organization? Generally top management of the organization determine overall objective जो member of the organization को सबको साथ में मिलके उसको अचीव करना है. So top management determine the overall objective. Now, how objectives are set? Now, in some organization, the objective may be set by the vote, that is through voting. So, objective may be set by the vote of the shareholders, by vote of the members, or by vote of the small number of trustees, or by the few individuals who own and run the organization. Whereas in large corporate entity, such bodies as board of directors, governing board, or executive committee may set the objective. So in some organization, how the objective are set? Objective may be set through voting, and a vote of the shareholders, vote of the members, vote of the small number of the trustee, a vote of the few individual जो organization को run कर रहा है. Whereas जो लार्ज कॉर्पोरेट एंटिटीज होगा वहां पे कौन होगा? वोटिंग ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स, वोटिंग थ्रू गवर्निंग बोर्ड और द एग्जीक्यूटिव कमिटी, then they set the objective. But in practice, the objective are set in a complicated power play involving various individuals and groups within and without the organization, and ultimately by reference to the values of the relevant individuals and groups in a particular society. Now here complicated power play is nothing but one kind of meeting is arranged. In that particular meeting, it involves various individuals and groups within and without the organization, and a board of directors भी उसमें आएंगे और shareholders भी आएंगे और owner भी रहेंगे. Okay, so it is an complicated power play involving various individuals and group, and this individual and group may be within and without the organization. And how the objectives are set? Generally reference to the values of the relevant individuals and groups. And what is values? What is good, what is bad, what is desirable and undesirable. यानी जिनका व्यू पॉइंट अच्छा होगा, जिनका व्यू पॉइंट डिजायरेबल होगा, उसके व्यू पॉइंट वैल्यू सिस्टम को ध्यान में रख के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में भी सेट. सो इन प्रैक्टिस जनरली वन काइंड ऑफ मीटिंग इज अरेंज, and in that particular meeting various individuals and group within and without the organization are involved, and ultimately by reference to the value system of the individual group, they set the by taken into considering the value system of the individual and the group, the objectives may be set. Clear? And we all know that in a particular setting the objective, there are many factors which enter or which affect to the objective setting. Now, irrespective of what mechanism individual organization adopt, there are three important aspects in objective setting. And whenever organization setting the objective, three factors should be taken into consideration. What are the three aspects? First aspect, factors affecting objective setting. Second aspect, issues involved in objective setting, and third aspect, areas in objective setting. Now in these three aspects we have to learn one by one. So first aspect, factors affecting objective setting. That means whenever organization set the objective, what aspects the organization consider. So first aspect is what? Factors affecting objective setting. Now while setting the objective, different contextual factors should be taken into account, and these factors may be forces in environment. Second factors, organization resources and internal power relationship. Third factors, value system of top executives. Fourth factor, that is awareness by management. Now these four factors we will learn in detail. Now first is what? Forces in environment. Now here forces in environment refers to various stakeholders of the organization, and we all know that who are the stakeholders. Stakeholders such as shareholders, other financiers, employees, customers, government, and the society. And we all know that each of these stakeholders has certain expectation from the organization, and this expectation may be conflicting. ओके और क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन हम लोग ने स्टेक होल्डर्स के टॉपिक में पढ़ लिया कि शेयर होल्डर्स कौन है और उसके एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है, अदर फाइनेंशियल्स कौन है और उसके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है, कस्टमर्स कौन है उसके एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्या है. ओके सो हर एक स्टेक होल्डर्स का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से कुछ ना कुछ एक्सपेक्टेशंस रहता है, और ये एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस की एक्टिविटीज को अफेक्ट करते हैं. Therefore, organizational objective set by considering the expectation of the stakeholders. That is why we can say forces in environment or stakeholders' expectations affect the objective setting. In short, by taken into considering the expectation of the stakeholders, organization set the objective. That is why forces in environment always affect objective setting. Clear? Second factors, organization's resources and the internal power relationship. Now, these factors implies that objectives depends on organization resources and internal power relationship. Now, organizational resources, we all know that organizational resources, it include both, that is human resource and the non-human resource. Whereas non-human resource में क्या आता है? Financial resources and the physical resources that the organization has. So after all, objective can be pursued only through the resources. यानी resources को ध्यान में रख के organization set the objective. So example, organization setting the objective, that is market leadership. Okay, but organization has lack of resources. So always ऑब्जेक्टिव कैसा होना चाहिए? ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ऑब्जेक्टिव शुड बी मैच विद द रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. दैट इज व्हाई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेट द ऑब्जेक्टिव बाय टेकन इनटू कंसीडरिंग रिसोर्सेज ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्लियर? वेयर एज इंटरनल पावर रिलेशनशिप. ना इंटरनल पावर रिलेशनशिप रिफर्स टू पावर ऑफ डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट or group of strategies, that is board of directors. Okay, now these strategies try to impose their views on objective setting. We all know that different strategies and a board of directors, executive committee, they always impose their views in objective setting. Okay, so whenever organization set the objective, and a power of the different strategies or views of the different strategies always affect. Clear? So ऑब्जेक्टिव, व्हेनेवर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेट द ऑब्जेक्टिव, अगेन रिसोर्सेज को ध्यान में रख के एज वेल एज इंटरनल पावर रिलेशनशिप ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्टिव सेटिंग. क्लियर? नाउ थर्ड इज वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव. नाउ व्हाट इज वैल्यूज? नाउ वी ऑल नो दैट व्हाट इज वैल्यूज. वैल्यूज आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट इज गुड और बैड, what is desirable or the undesirable. So this value system applies to the objective setting. That means value system of the top management या top executives always affect the objective setting. So example, if top management or the top executives are money oriented value system, then they will always emphasize on financial objective. Now financial objective like increasing return, increasing profits, increasing return on investment. सो जो टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स का मनी ओरिएंटेड वैल्यू सिस्टम है वो फाइनेंशियल ऑब्जेक्टिव के ऊपर ज्यादा फोकस करता है. उन्हें रिवेन्यू को इंक्रीज करना है, प्रॉफिट को इंक्रीज करना है, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट को इंक्रीज करना है, एक्सेट्रा. एज अगेंस्ट इफ दोज टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स हु हैव philanthropic value system. ना philanthropic मीन्स व्हाट, लव फॉर मैनकाइंड, सोसाइटी को फोकस करता है, मैनकाइंड को फोकस करता है. सो जो टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव का philanthropic वैल्यू सिस्टम है, देन दे emphasize on social objective, social objective that is society's welfare, कम्युनिटी सर्विसेज, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट, ये टाइप का ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करता है. दैट इज हाउ वी कैन से कि वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ द टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स या टॉप मैनेजमेंट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट द ऑब्जेक्टिव सेटिंग. And last, fourth factors, that is awareness by management. So awareness by management of the past objective of the organization and achievement of this objective play crucial role in offsetting the objective. And in fact, we all know that the organization operate on a principle of continuity. So in this process, organizations set their objectives based on the past with some incremental changes only. Okay, that means मैनेजमेंट का अवेयरनेस रिगार्डिंग द पास्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव, यानी पास्ट में क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव था और वो ऑब्जेक्टिव को कैसे अचीव किया था, प्ले इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन सेटिंग द ऑब्जेक्टिव. बिकॉज वी ऑल नो दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कौन से बेस पे रन होता है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑपरेट ऑन द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. एंड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी क्या है, जो पास में था वैसे ही आपको फ्यूचर में रन करना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी. सो इन दिस प्रोसेस organization set their objective based on the past with some incremental changes. So example, in past organization set the objective that is increase 10% profit of net worth of the company. Okay, ये उसका पास का ऑब्जेक्टिव था. नाउ ये पास का ऑब्जेक्टिव उसने अचीव कर लिया. ओके, सो अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर में इन फ्यूचर के लिए ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करना है. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रन ऑपरेट ऑन अ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कंटिन्यूटी ना. सो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करेगा सम इंक्रीमेंटल चेंजेस. यानी इंक्रीमेंटल चेंजेस एग्जांपल 15% इंक्रीज इन प्रॉफिट, 10% से थोड़ा बहुत बढ़ा दिया, दैट इज 15% इंक्रीज इन प्रॉफिट ऑफ नेटवर्थ ऑफ द कंपनी. That is called as what, awareness by management. So awareness by management also affect the objective setting. Clear? So in this session we mainly cover who set the objective, how the objective are set, and three aspects taken into considering in objective setting. And in that we cover first aspect, that is factors affecting objective setting. Now in next session we will cover remaining two aspects, that is issues in objective setting, and second is what, areas in objective setting. Okay, bye, take care.